Hi Felicities, this is John Victor and you're tuned into the channel with no name. OMG, I have like a special surprise. Say hi!
Hi!
So these Felicities are my nieces. What's your first name? Just first name.
Hinata.
Sakura. Aren't they so precious? So we're just doing a really quick video of me unboxing my one present to myself, since I don't really get presents on Christmas, which I don't mind. And usually I just give cash to people that I like. My mom. What's happening? This is literally how it's happening, man. Literally. I'm not gonna edit this so you can see exactly what happened, babe.
And tomorrow it will be Christmas.
Yeah, but I'm opening my gift before. But when you're an adult, you can open your Christmas present anytime.
Yeah.
Even on Christmas Eve at like 5 o'clock.
But if the kids get older, we can do that too, right?
Yeah, but you can't do it right now, apparently.
Because we are little kids.
Yeah, so this is my niece, Hinata, and that one's Sakura. And so this is gonna be a really quick video, and I'm gonna find my one present. The irony is I bought this myself, so I know exactly what it's in, but I just wanted it to feel like Christmas. No, it's okay, babe.
No, just...
Oh my gosh! There's too much stuff.
I know.
I swear I shouldn't have unboxed the other one.
I think it's full of presents. A big present.
Oh, this. Oh my gosh. So, this is my present from myself to myself. My mom's laughing. Everybody's literally making fun of me. I'm gonna make a video of this and I'm gonna enjoy it. So this is the beautiful... What do you think of the box? Is it pretty?
Yes, and then you see that thing? What is that?
Well, it's a horse. So she's talking about the cute little Coach insignia.
I think you.
What do you think of the bow and the ribbon?
The golden and the bow looks really
It's beautiful. You want to sit over here, Bam? So this is definitely not going to be edited.
Yeah.
So do you want to unbox it for me? Do you want to pull it open?
Yeah.
You want to pull one? Okay. Oh, you could have just pulled it like this, babe.
I know. Okay.
So I got this. Honestly, I just wanted to unbox something for Christmas. Love the Coach packaging.
Okay,
we're gonna unbox it.
3, 2, 1. Oh.
So there's some dust paper. Look, what is that?
It's a cute little guy.
There's a pig. There's a little piggy.
It has a cup.
It has a cup. Okay, let me. I'm gonna.
I'm
the year of the pig. It's my year. I was born during the year of the pig.
Okay, so this is the bag or box bed. Oh my gosh, Beb, you're killing me. It's okay. Thank goodness we don't edit these videos. Okay, so this is the dust bag. Ooh, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna reveal it, and I think my nieces are gonna love this. But you gotta love Coach packaging.
And I feel something in it. Open it.
It smells so good. So this is it.
I feel something in it.
Okay.
And we're gonna unbox it. What do you think? What color do you think it is?
I think it's
white.
I forgot. I think it's black. I think it's black and white.
Why? What? You know I don't like black bags. My bags are colorful. So. What? This is the bag that I got. It's in the pebbled leather. It is the Rogue 27.
Yes, it's in this.
And obviously y'all know how much I love this silhouette. Ooh, it still has a tag.
You got 2 bags.
Yeah, it's a dust bag.
I know.
So,
and I can't put it out.
Right now it's still currently all like... This is why I can't film with these budgers. They're a mess.
Where's the Coach spelling?
So this is these bags don't show it. They're like they're supposed to be minimal. So that's my mom in the background asking me questions. This is the new Coach style, and so this is the Rogue 27. What do you think of this bag, Bev? Oh, she's distracted. What do you think? What do you think of this bag?
Good.
What do you think of the color? How would you describe it?
I describe it to 100.
It's 100. It's 100.
She liked it.
Would you use a bag like this?
Yeah.
You wanna hold? Can you rock it for my subbies, my Felicities? You wanna stand here and then hold it?
Oh, don't step on the kids.
You gotta go around.
Where's my slipper?
Just go right here. Just go right here on the.
But I need my slipper.
Okay. Seriously, I mean all this magic for this one video. I mean for this one gift. You wanna hold it?
Yeah.
Okay, and then you gotta look. Yes. Okay, yeah, hold it on the crook of your arm. Yeah, model it. Go model it. Model. You're a model.
Wow.
Yes. Be fierce. Go be fierce. Yes. Okay, pretend like you're using it. Okay, can you hold it? Like hold it. Like I know it's a little heavy. Now jump. Ah, she's so precious, right? This is my counterpart, by the way, my little baby. And then this is my other. Oh, she hasn't shown up.
This is who are the big sister.
So yeah, so this is the Coach. Okay, so this is the Coach Rogue in the size 27. This is the. I actually don't know the color, so let's look at it. This is the sky color, and I got this on sale, so I'm like super excited because it was, I think, way over half of the price. I think this is only $260 as compared to like $600, which is a steal. Especially knowing like that the Glovetanned leather of the Rogue bags are amazing. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I just wanted to unbox it way before I go to sleep because this is really probably the only present I'm opening, and I wanted to have my little munchkins with me. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this different video. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, whatever you celebrate, and I hope you enjoy the next couple of days and don't eat too much, but if you do, go for it, enjoy yourself, live your best life, and bye Felicities. Say bye Felicities.
Bye, Felicity.
Okay, we'll see y'all later, and if you enjoyed this video, comment down below, okay?
Hey guys,
What's up?
Guys,
What are you gonna tell them?
Tomorrow, we can open presents. Tomorrow's Christmas.
Tomorrow's Christmas.
Yay!
Bye.
Bye.